entrance, look at these amazing boxes from Hatchimals. Are you ready to go to the Royal Snow Ball? Look, there's 2 boxes, and this one says, open me first. Ooh, there's a letter inside. Thank you so much, Spin Master, for sending me these toys for free.
Come one, come all. The Royals have arrived in Hatchtopia and are ready for Polar Paradise's Royal Snow Ball. Wow, and look, there's a Hatchimals CollEGgtibles Royal Snow Ball Challenge. Melody, do you accept this challenge?
Yes.
Step 1 of your Royal Snow Ball Challenge is to find 3 royal diamonds in the challenge box. Find the diamonds, you guys.
It looks like there's candy inside. I found the diamond too. Me too. I found one more. Now we have all 3 complete.
Who wants to try some rock candy?
Me.
Yay!
Yay! I love it.
Number 2, find and hatch 3 Hatchimals CollEGgtibles and glam them up with their accessories.
Okay. I'll find one.
Good job, Koa.
That one's wrapped like a present.
Wow, look at these gorgeous new eggs. They are so pretty. Let's see what's inside, guys. Ooh, we got a little penguola. And she comes with a scarf.
Look what I got. She's so cute.
Oh, how sweet. She's ice skating.
Don't see. Can I have it? Like in the frog. Hi.
Oh, look at this little princess with her crown and pink hair and royal ball gown.
They're ready for the Royal Snow Ball.
Next is number 3. Melody, you need to get blinged up for the Royal Snow Ball too. Find a tiara and a ring in the challenge box. Now the Pixies want a party. Hatch a Hatchimals Pixie Royal from the challenge box, put her cute accessories on, and make her spin around on her dance floor 3 times.
I can see her. Whoa, she looks so cool in her outfit.
Oh, she is so beautiful. Look at her glittery gold hair and her cute little wings.
Hi. Okay, let's see.
We got a tiara, a necklace, and a little mask for the Royal Snow Ball.
Now she's gonna spin on the dance floor.
Ooh, doesn't she look gorgeous?
Wow, a big cat.
Number 5, let's make it more festive. Blow up the confetti balloon found in the challenge box.
Whoa! Oh, this is so much fun!
Now more guests are arriving. Look in the challenge box to find 2 of the 10 adorable Hatchimals in the mega secret surprise egg by hatching 2 hearts.
And there's more than 40 surprises inside. Oh, that's a lot. Okay, let's see what's inside. Wow, there's so many hearts inside.
Oh, it's a giant egg. That is so cool. Okay, Koa and Melody, pick a heart to open.
This one. Ooh, look, which one did I get? Wow, look what I got. Orange, a sweet little bunny with a crown. Look at her wings, they're golden. Golden!
Wow, Koa got a bunch of Hatchimals Pixies accessories.
Ooh, look, you can display them too.
Let's see if I can find that Hatchimals Pixie. Ooh. Oh, look at how cute. And I love the ombre coloring from gold to lavender. Let's get all the hearts hatched, you guys.
Yeah. One more, and I think it's gonna be the pixie bell.
Wow, she is gorgeous. I love her gold dress and purple and pink glittery hair. We also got a koala bear hip hat.
Come on.
Oh, it's lip gloss. It smells like strawberries. And there's more surprises inside. Whoa, look at all those surprises.
Which one did I get? Let's see what's inside here. Hatchimals life codes.
Ooh, we got these adorable stickers too. Wow, look at all these jewel-tone Hatchimals. They're so gorgeous. And here's the checklist. Ooh, our pixie is named Crown Jewel Sapphire Sylvia. Wow, the mega secret surprise was awesome. And the final step of our challenge is to find our ticket to the Royal Snow Ball.
Wow, look, I got it.
Here's the Polar Paradise Royal Snow Ball ticket. Hooray, you've completed the Royal Challenge. Now that everyone has arrived to the Royal Snow Ball looking fabulous, let's get celebrating by opening the second box.
Such a pretty snowflake balloon.
And look, there's more Royal Snow Ball eggs and a jewelry box dozen. Check out that beautiful backdrop too. I love that castle.
Okay, let's have some eggs.
Koa's gonna hatch this crown. I wonder if it's something special inside.
I got a soft one, and it has a cup.
Oh, that's so cute. And it's all fuzzy.
Look what I got, a snowman and a ducky.
Oh, I got a sparkly tigrette. Ooh, Koa got another ice skater and Melody got a snowflake deer. And look at this pretty Royal Snowball jewelry box dozen. There's accessories in every Hatchimals CollEGGtibles egg. And this contains 8 fluffy kitty cans. And here's a season 6.5 Royal Snowball checklist. There's Frosty Friends, Royal Treasures, Polar Royals, Snowflake Squad, Cozy Crest, and Jewelry Box Dozen. Oh, look at how pretty these eggs are! And look at our first 2 fluffy kitty cans. They're holding little snowballs.
Yay! Look, they're so cute! Time to open more eggs. I can open this one.
Ooh, Melody got Cozy Cheat Tree. And I got a limited edition Salon Alicorn. Here's 2 more.
King Koala.
And I got cute little ice skaters, Frosty Ponette and Frosty Chameleon. And Melody got more Frosty Friends, Bunwee and Pinguella. Look at their little twirly skirts.
Ooh.
And from the Snowflake Squad is Snowflake Wolfie. That snowflake is so pretty. Okay, last one, friends.
I'm so excited. I want to open. It's super strong. Ooh, and it's a crocodile.
It's a Polar Royal Alligator. How cool. Look, everyone is having a great time at the Royal Snow Ball.
Whoa.
How about you guys, Treasure Box friends? Who is your favorite Snowball collectible?
Mine was the fluffy kitty can.
Mine was Crown Jewel Pinguella from the Mega Secret Surprise.
Thanks so much, Spin Master. I had a great time at the Royal Snow Ball. Thanks so much for watching and please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Bye!
Whoa, what have you guys been doing over here?
We're making a tower for the Hatchimals to skate on. Because
Whoa!
I called her skater and she says she wants to skate on the mountain.